Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I have Pandahall collaboration video and I'm going to be showing you guys all of the dangles that I've been making, like the charms, beaded charms. So I grabbed a couple packets of this one here, which is like frosted on the outer layer with the bow, and it's got these 3 different colors, and I have put some in each of these compartments in this container. And as you can see, I have been using a lot of it, and let me show you this container too, where it has these bubblegum beads. I didn't use much of the bubblegum beads for this project share, but I have shared with you guys another video with the Pandahall, and if you haven't seen that, I will definitely link it in my description area. We also have these really pretty iridescent rose beads, and I have been making really pretty things with this as well. So let me show you what I have been making. So I'm gonna start off with the rose beads. Oh my gosh, I made these and I'm gonna be gifting these in the future. Let me show you this one here. So I just used the craft wire. This is a really pliable wire I use, which is also available at Pandahall. It's an aluminium craft wire. I have rheumatoid arthritis, so sometimes I don't like using really hard wires. So I just use that, and I start off by making a loophole there and then feed through these things. Now, if you can see, this is a wooden leaf, which is also available at Pandahall. Then I've been using the seed beads. You can put many as you want. So the rose charm can become tall as you want or short as you want, depending on what you would like to do. I thought this was a really nice height like this. And then I finished it off with the rose bead, and then I just wire wrapped the top. So pretty. I tried many different ways of doing the leaf part because I don't have a lot of the leaf beads left. I also found this heart shaped, but it's got like a split heart look and it almost looks like leaf. So I decided to use that with a little bit bigger size beads in different color tones of green. Then I finished it off with the rose. So pretty. Oh my gosh. Then I did this one here where I only used 2 colors of the seed beads to make this one here. So pretty. And then this one here, you guys. So I decided that I wanted to gift this love felt piece here, right? But it's got a hole there. I love making use of anything that has a little hole for me to dangle onto the other things. So I decided to make this. Isn't this so pretty? See, and then this one here, I did another leaf bottom part differently. So this is a flower bead cap that's also from Pandahall. I have a bunch of these. And then this glass leaf, and then I added these ones here, finished it off with the rose bead. Then I dangled my gold jump ring there and completed it all with this pink chain, this pink ball chain. Such a fun gift idea. I did another one. See, I did another one here with the love word, but I used the silicone bead of the green heart for the leaf part. So you can do whatever you want. You don't have to really have the exact leaf bead to create these. Now another one I did was I did a dangly type. So using the gold clasp that I had in my stash, I used this hot pink jump ring, also from Pandahall, and then I used the rose bead to dangle. Then I linked it with this bottom part here. So we have this iridescent leaf and these 2 pearlescent beads, also from Pandahall. Then I have this to gift or add to projects. So pretty. And look at this, you guys, all together. Isn't that so pretty? So you guys can definitely do something like this and have fun. Next, I want to show you this one here. So I wanted to gift something like this for my friend. I am in a strawberry swap and I have made this to gift. So using that frosted heart bead with the bow, I added this lovely daisy bead, Then I used that candy packet bead, also from Pandahall. Then I put the this decorative strawberry one there with the silicone bead. Finished it off with the bubblegum bead that I picked up from Pandahall. Isn't this so pretty? So I was going with the pink and the green theme of the strawberry colors. So I've made that as well. Then you guys, I made more things, and these are one of the jelly cubes that I have also got from Pandahall. And what I did is I made it like this. It looks so pretty, right? So instead of just gifting your friends the bead itself, it's so precious to spend your time and add a little extra touch of you to gift to your friend. So what I did was using the eye pin, I added the tiny seed bead, then the rhinestone spacer bead, which I also got from Pandahall. Isn't that so pretty, the magical shine? Then I used the cube jelly bead. I'm calling them jelly bead because I was thinking of all of the candies and things inside my head when I was choosing my items. And then I did the same on the other side with the rhinestone spacer bead and the seed bead. So pretty. So I got to do those two in the blue tones here. Really pretty. Then you guys, I also had this in my collection, and I haven't had any chance to use it. So I got to use my flat sakura bead, and I used it with the daisy bead spacer. And I just did the other side as well with the cube bead, and it looks so pretty. So I will be gifting these in the future too. So pretty. And then we've got the pink version. So I did the pink versions like this as well. See how pretty that is? Oh my gosh. I only had one white one, so I did this one because it's a mixed set of the cube beads. Then with the purple one, I did this. So pretty, right? Look at that. So pretty. Then I completed one as a dangle. So I used the gold lobster clasp with the hot pink jump ring, added one of these to dangle. Then I used another jump ring. Then I added these strawberry charms. Now this particular gold one is from Pandahall, and the other pink one was gifted to me. So pretty. Then I also did similar things with this round one. I did that sakura flat bead on top, and then daisy bead. I did that as well. I did another one in the darker pink one, but this time I dangled the strawberry charm I grabbed before. It's a strawberry pie, I think, or cake, whatever you like to call it. Then using this candy jelly bead here, I added my bead cap, flower bead cap with the really pretty faceted bead on top to make this dangle. This one here, I used the yellow one with the, can you see, I put two of the green flower bead cap, then the yellow candy bead, and then finished it off with this bead spacer, also available at Pandahall, and the gold and the pearl. So pretty. Then I also wanted to use my leaf beads, other kind of leaf bead. So I have this one here that was gifted to me. I believe my friend Mary gave me those. And I decided to make it like this. Isn't that pretty? So I made several kinds. See, using the different color leaf bead. Then this one I dangled some more strawberry tiny charms on there for gifting. And then I also did another dangle with the strawberry charms at the bottom using the cube. And then I also used the, let me show you these ones. So these ones, aren't they so pretty? Don't you think they look like strawberries? Well, in my eyes, they do. I used the seed bead, leaf bead, seed bead, and then the frosted heart bead with the bow. Made these. So pretty. Then I also used different kinds of the green bead cap on top to make more of strawberry looking well, strawberry inspired bead dangles. Then I have more of these. So pretty. Oh my gosh, I love these. Then I also made one in the yellow tone as well. I did this one here. So pretty. And then, so I also had a set of these kind of beads that I picked up from Pandahall. These are like stripy beads with the iridescent coating. What I did with those is I married it with my flower bead cap, also from Pandahall. And then I put some daisy bead on top or a gold round bead on top and made these. And don't they look so pretty? Look at them. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I made more in the white and pink version. Then I did one in the, this is like an ombre effect one. So pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. Then I did one with the white. So pretty. So I like gifting things that I have put my energy into or creativity, and I just think these are so pretty. This one I trialed it. I'm not sure if it's my favorite, but I think it does look pretty. Then I also did this one with the bigger cube one. I did each end the same way. And I also made another fully decorated charm dangle here. So let me put it on my hand to show you. See, it's got those strawberry charms, which I got from Pandahall. Then here I added the dangle I made. Then I added this green color because I'm going with the red, pink, green in this one. And I've got some more strawberry charms dangling on the side with the strawberry pie at the very bottom. Isn't this so fun? So pretty. Look at that. I love making these. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here, having a look at what I've been up to. And I hope you guys get to give these a go as well. Bye for now.